Good afternoon class, good afternoon everyone. In this video, I am going to share with how to reset Photoshop to its default settings. For instance, assuming that this toolbar, the options bar and the layers palette are disarranged, meaning you cannot simply arrange it manually. So you do this one to reset, to restore back to its default settings. So first, we're going to click edit. Next, scroll down and look for preferences. Next, click general, and then you click reset preferences on quit. Click this one and then you click OK. Next, you click again OK here, and now you can close Adobe Photoshop. Click close and then relaunch again. You click again to open at the taskbar. Okay, now you can see that all the toolbars, the layers palette and the options bar are arranged. So that is how to reset Adobe Photoshop to its default settings. Okay, that's all I have to do today, and thank you so much for watching.